Why nobody can see your profile photo on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if nobody else on WhatsApp is being able to view your profile photo, even if you know there is a profile photo on your feed. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you want to actually go ahead and then fix this issue, it could mean that your profile picture is set to private. So in order to fix that, we will open WhatsApp, and as you open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, and then you just need to go to settings. And once you go to settings, go to the option called account, and as soon as you go to account, you have to go to the option called privacy, which is at the very top of the screen. And as soon as you select privacy, what you have to do is right over here you can see this option which says profile photo, and currently you can see it is set to nobody. So in order to change it, you can tap on profile photo. So if it's set to nobody, because nobody else is being able to see your profile photo, that's the simple reason why. So you can change this to everyone if you want everybody to see your profile photo, or you can select my contacts or your contact except a few people. But this is it. This is how you can fix, because nobody else is being able to see your profile photo because it is set to nobody on this page. So go ahead and change the privacy settings for your profile photo on WhatsApp. Hopefully this video answered your question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.